I had one of my students come in to my drop-in class this weekend, and he had some very good questions about how we stick images together or orient them in our designs on Cricut Design Space. So you have two hearts in Cricut, right? In Cricut Design Space. And in Cricut Design Space, you group them together, right? So these two, let's say they're like this, and you group them together. All that does is tell Cricut that while you're designing, you want these two to be moved together, sized together, that kind of thing. This is strictly for your design purposes. When you go to cut them, it's going to cut this on your pink mat and it's going to cut this on your aqua mat. Then we have attach. So you have two different colored hearts, right? You put them like this in Cricut Design Space, and then you hit attach. What's going to happen, it's going to change both of your pieces to one color. Because you're telling Cricut is, I want these two cuts stuck like this. So you'll get a cut like this. So you have this, you click attach, it turns into the same color, and this is the cut you'll get. You're just telling Cricut, I want you to cut right here, and then I want you to cut right here, and this is what I want it to look like. That's attach. Okay, then you have your two pieces like this, and you tell Cricut weld. So weld is telling Cricut, I want these two pieces to become one piece. So you see now it's going to cut just the outside. It doesn't cut the inner pieces.
Finally, we have slice. Slice is when you have two overlapping images, you select them both, you hit slice, and what it does is slices all the places where they overlap or don't overlap into individual pieces. So in your layers panel, you'll be left with 4 pieces. It's the 2 pieces that didn't overlap and the pieces that did overlap.